everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make an exciting cheese pakoda sandwich. So come, let's get started. What I have done is I've taken some boiled potatoes, peeled it and mashed it. So that goes in. And to this, let's add some chopped onions. I'm going to add a bit of roasted cumin powder, some salt to taste, and I'm going to add like a pinch of red chilli powder, a pinch of chaat masala, and that's it. All we're going to do now is just mix. So this is looking good, mixed well. Now because it's going to be a pakoda, you need to make the pakoda batter. So for that I've taken some gram flour, and to this let's add some salt and a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of red chilli powder. Just whisk this well. Now let's start adding the water little at a time because you need to make a nice lump-free batter. Let's add some more water. Okay, as you can see, looking nice and smooth. So while I'm making the sandwiches, I've also kept some oil on heat because we're going to be deep frying it. So now we take the bread, and to this let's add some fresh green chutney. And now we add the potato mixture. This one is done. Now we place cheese slice. And now we just cover it with the other slice. And there you have it. Now let's make the second sandwich. Now the sandwich is done. We'll be making pakodas, so frying this entire sandwich would be too big. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. So you see, now we got a nice piece of sandwich. The batter is ready, the oil is hot. All you have to do now is dip the sandwich, coat it well with the batter. Now ensure that you're gently swirling these pakodas in oil because you don't want them to get stuck to each other. So as you can see, some of them have started to turn golden brown, so we're just going to drain them. So there you have it. These are ready. Now all you have to do is serve them. So these taste great on their own, but I'm serving it with some mayonnaise and some ketchup. So what I'm going to do before serving is sprinkle some chaat masala and a pinch of red chilli powder. And there you have it. Cheese pakoda sandwich is now ready. Do try out this recipe for your friends and family, and trust me, everyone's going to thank you.